You get the brake adjusted?
You did.
Well, okay. We got the tires on.
So
We
far.
got the pedals on. The
Pedals.
seat's all tight.
Check.
Okay, we're ready to go. The bike's all done.
Vroom, vroom.
I love it. I like everybody getting together and building bikes and hanging out and laughing, having a good time and helping people out all together.
We're building bikes today for the Bob Telmosse Foundation, so needy kids get a bike this year.
Yeah, we're eating and working on bikes. That's what we do. Feeding people and putting bikes together.
Once you get to know your neighbors, it's easier to help one another, right?
I enjoyed just building the bike in general. It was kind of fun.